What is going on, guys? One of the first things I like to do when getting a newer car is getting some rubber all-weather floor mats. So today, YITAMOTOR has sent us some floor mats for the Civic Sport. Guys, let's get right into it. So before I unbox the new YITA floor mats, this car already had rubber weather floor mats in it. I believe they are OEM Honda mats. I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you why I wanted to replace these since the day I bought the car. Alright guys, hopefully you can see this. So I hate when these floor mats do this. They start curling up and there's like a big hump here in the middle. See how the floor mat's rolled over? There's like a big hump here for no reason. I hate when these floor mats do this. I think my wife's RAV4 is doing something similar. Yeah, I see hers is rolling over too. Yeah, her floor mats roll over too like that. It drives me nuts. And I don't know why the floor mats that the OEM factories make do that. But like, look at my passenger side here. Yeah, it's all rolled over. And I don't know, I do not like that whatsoever. So anyways, that's why I was excited when YITAMOTOR, they emailed me, asked me if I wanted to try out their floor mats. And I said, absolutely, I need some. All mine are driving me crazy. So, guys, let's get these new floor mats unboxed, and hopefully they look better and lay down better than the factory OEM mats. Alright guys, sorry if I'm sniffing a little bit. I'm kind of feeling under the weather. I haven't felt great all week, but we cannot let that stop the party and having fun. Welcome to the Panda Motorworks and Oxito unboxing bench. Today we are unboxing some YITA floor mats for my Civic Sport. And I am excited. Huge shout out to YITA for sending me these. Nice box. And one thing I like about this box, built-in handle, baby. Thought that was pretty cool. So, let's see here. More goodies down the bottom. That's cool. Even their plastic says YITAMOTOR on it. Alright. Yeah, these look great. So hopefully over time these don't roll over. But I was doing a little researching on this before I agreed to do this video, because I do like to be honest in my review videos, even when people do send me stuff at no charge. There's I don't know what this is. They sent extra of these. I don't know if we're going to need these or what. Or if they're just extra in case something happens to the driver's side when one of these, maybe if one of them break, they've sent an extra one. So that was pretty nice to have that included. I'll definitely be sure to hang on to that. Put that in my spare parts. Oh, it says lifetime warranty, guys. It says thank you for your purchase. We hope you enjoy our product. If you experience any issues with your order regarding compatibility, damaged packaging, general dissatisfaction, or other problems, please contact. And guys, it even gives a number you can text, call. So let's see here. Yeah, I don't know exactly what is lifetime warranty, but it does say lifetime warranty, so might hang on to that in case we ever have to call. Yeah, and there's a phone number and online support. And here's a manual, instruction manual. But y'all don't need that. You can just watch me do it. So the YITAMOTOR badge is covered with plastic. We'll go ahead and peel that off. Yeah, these look really nice. I'm actually really excited. Oh, and the rear. Oh, okay, cool. The rear connect. The rear's one big piece. And it even covers that middle part as well. I like when rear mats do this. I'm really excited to see how these fit. All right, guys. Probably the longest floor mat unboxing of all time, but let's get over to the car. Let's start getting these bad boys installed. All right, I was smart this time and grabbed a light. Wish I would have done this in the before clips. Oh, dang, fumbled it. I'm gonna get a vacuum real quick and hit this up. All right, that's looking a lot better thanks to my Milwaukee cordless vacuum. Guys, this is linked in the description box below, my Amazon links. I definitely highly recommend that. So let's see here. All right, looks pretty good, guys. I will be concerned how the sides hold up over time. But for now, that looks a lot better than what I did have in there. Alright guys, here is the driver's side before and after. Guys, check that out. Has a lot more coverage than the floor mat that was just in here. And like I said, I'll be curious to see how these hold up over time. But for now, I am all the way on board. YITAMOTOR for the win, guys. Alright guys, here's what the rear looks like before. Alright guys, great coverage. And I like the middle coverage that covers all of that middle carpet hump. Guys, overall, I think these are really great floor mats. Alright guys, that's one with today's video. Huge shout out to YITAMOTORS for sending us these floor mats. Like I said, overall I think they're awesome. The only knock I have on them is they're kind of wavy in a couple places. And normally when they do that, they start curling over. But these are not supposed to curl and lay over like my previous ones. So guys, overall, I would highly recommend these. I can do an updated video in about 6 months just to see how they're holding up. But for now, I think they look awesome compared to what I had in there. And I'm very happy they decided to send me these floor mats. Guys, if you're interested in these, I'm going to link them in the description box below. They not only have floor mats for the Civic, but a lot of other makes and models as well. Alright guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, guys. It really does help out. I'm trying to get to 2,500 subs by the end of the year. Would mean the world to me if we could get there. Guys, make sure you check out all the Amazon affiliate links in the description box below. The holidays are here. Panda Motor Works. Use my code BLewis. Oxedo LED Lighting. Use code Brian Lewis. And guys, you're going to save money. Get that car, guy or girl in your life what they really want. Don't get them stuff they're not going to use. Panda Motor Works, Oxedo, YITAMOTOR. Guys, until next time.